Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see how to create a YouTube playlist and add your favorite thumbnail to that particular newly created playlist. So without further delay, let's see how to do that. Launch your browser, open your YouTube and make sure you have logged into your YouTube like I have done already. Simply scroll a little bit down. Here you will see this YouTube studio. Click here and here you will see this create icon. Click here and here you will find new playlist. Then click here, give the title. You can add your description as well, like what kind of videos are there in playlist that could be helpful for your viewers. You can select the visibility as public, private or unlisted, and you can default video order like you can choose date published, oldest or most popular like this. So I will choose most popular here and then I will add videos. I have some bunch of videos there, but I will have to make sure that I am creating a playlist having the right content video. Let's go and add videos to our new playlist. After adding all your videos, now it's time to click on done and then hit create. Once you have created your playlist, it should appear in your content view tab. When you will come here and check on this playlist, some YouTube playlists have been created. And if you want to change the thumbnail of your playlist, come here, click on these three dots and click here on edit on YouTube. Here I want to change the thumbnail of my playlist. So what you have to do, simply go to your favorite video or that you want to add as a thumbnail. Like I want to add this video as my thumbnail. Simply come here, click on these three dots. Here to the downs, you will see this set as playlist thumbnail. Just click it. And now your thumbnail have got changed. So in this way, you can create a new playlist and add thumbnails of your choice to your newly created playlist. I hope you will find this video really very helpful. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.